Good afternoon. My name is Richard Aguilera, and I study at UNAD, Universidad Nacional Abierta y a Distancia. This is a tutorial video of the course Phonetic and Phonology. The purpose of this video is to explain the characteristics of the three specific symbols. These are the consonants p, v, f, that is the sound. The different aspects to learn about the three consonants in this video are the place of articulation, the manner of articulation, voiced or voiceless, how to articulate those sounds using the articulators of the vocal tract, examples of the symbols within complete sentences, two pronunciation exercises to explain how to produce the sound accurately. Let's begin with this sound. P. The place of articulation of this sound is bilabial. This is because you use both of your lips to block your mouth. P. The manner of articulation is plosive. It is a consonant sound that is made by stopping air flowing out of the mouth and then suddenly releasing it. It is voiceless because you do not use your vocal cords to produce the sound. Instead, you allow the air flow freely from the lungs to your mouth, and it is the case the lips engage to modulate the sound. To understand when a sound is voiceless or voiced is very easy. One of the ways to know that is putting your mouth in your throat, in this part in your neck, and you pronounce the sound. In the case of p, notice how when you pronounce p, you don't feel anything here, you don't feel vibration, so that is voiceless. But in the case of sounds that produce a vibration here, they are voiced sounds. Examples of the p symbol within a complete sentences and the pronunciation of it are like Peter paid pencil to his partner. We have the words Peter pay in partner. The p symbol at the end of a word like sheep, keep, and top. An example in a sentence, keep the sheep on the top. It is important to pronounce the final sounds of the words in order to give the real meaning or the real word, because sometimes when we are learning English, we don't pronounce the final sounds of the words, giving other words to the listeners or giving anything to the listeners, just confusion. The next is v. The place of articulation is labiodental. It is because you create friction between the bottom lip and the top teeth. And it is fricative because the sound is produced by high pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it is between the bottom lip and the teeth. So you see, look at this. V, v. You put these teeth on your lips here, producing that sound. V, v. It is voiced because you produce the sound by vibrating your vocal cords. Look at this. Put your hand again here and pronounce that sound. And you feel the vibration. To produce the sound, put your lips on your teeth and force air out between your teeth and lips. Some of the words we have with this sound are very, every, move. An example in a sentence is every person moved the vocal cords. Some words begin with these sounds like view, value, visit, various. In the middle of a word, as, never, provide, level. At the end, as, love, have, give, and live. The f symbol or the f sound. The place of articulation is labiodental because you create friction between the bottom lip and top teeth. It is a fricative, which is a sound that is produced by high pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it is between the bottom lip and the teeth. The f sound is made through the mouth and it is unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. Again, put your hand here and produce the sound. You don't feel nothing here. So the chords are not working in this case. The F sound is normally spelled with the letter F. Let's see this. You see how we have words with this letter, as in the words father and often. But also the sounds comes with the letters PH, as in the word phone, or the letters GH, as in the word enough. Thanks for watching this short video created by Richard Aguilera.